Good morning, friends. During last lecture, we have studied two important types of conversion, that is binary to decimal conversion, and second was decimal to binary conversion. Now, today we will be studying two important types of conversion. The first one is hexadecimal to decimal conversion, and the second one will be your decimal to hexadecimal conversion. So, today the first point which we will be discussing is hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So what is the process to convert a particular hexadecimal number to a decimal number? So the process is as follows. A table is represented over here. By using this table we can convert any hexadecimal to decimal. So point is here, the numbers which are towards the left hand side will be multiplied by 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2 and 16 raised to 3, and the numbers which are towards the right hand side will be multiplied by 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2 and 16 raised to minus 3. So before this you should know what are the hexadecimal number. So hexadecimal numbers are the numbers from 0 to f. Now 9 is there. After 9 we will be having a, which will be represented by 11, b will be represented by 12, c will be represented by 13, d will be represented by 14, and so on. So that is the process. Okay, now the number which is available over here is fa2, which is your hexadecimal number. Now I have to convert this hexadecimal number to decimal. So by using this table you can apply to this particular example. So what is the number fa2? So what f will be representing? F will be representing 15, a will be representing 10. So fa2, so you have to multiply by 2 into 16 raised to 0, a is equals to 10 into 16 raised to 1, f is equivalent to 15 into 16 raised to 2. So what is anything raised to 0 is always 1, so it is 2 into 16 raised to 0, that is 1, plus 10 into 16 plus 15 into 16 raised to 2, that is 256. By doing all this calculation you will be getting number 4002. So fa2, which is your hexadecimal number, is converted into a decimal number system. Now we will be discussing second example, which is very simple. The number is 2b.2f. Now b will be representing your 11 and f will be representing your 15. So 2b.2f. So the number which are towards the right hand side should be multiplied by 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2, and so on. And the numbers which are towards the left hand side should be multiplied by 16 raised to 0 and 16 raised to 1, and so on. So 2 which is towards the right hand side, 2 into 16 raised to minus 1 f, that is 15 into 16 raised to minus 2. Now we have to move towards left hand side. B is equivalent to 11, 11 into 16 raised to 0, 2 into 16 raised to 1. After doing all this calculation, that is 16 into 2 is 32, 16 in 11 into 16 raised to 0, that is your 11. I can write 16 raised to minus 1 as 1 upon 16, but the number is 2, so 2 upon 16. 15 into 10 raised to 15 into 16 raised to minus 2, 16 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 16 raised to 2. So after doing all this calculation you will be getting 43.1836, that is your decimal number. So by using this particular table you can convert any particular any particular hexadecimal number to decimal number. So this is the way by which you can convert hexadecimal number to decimal number. Now we will be discussing second important conversion, that is decimal number to hexadecimal number. So it is called as hex double method. Okay, so what is the process to convert a particular decimal number to hexadecimal number? So example is given here, 545.789. So again it is divided into left hand side and right hand side. The number which is towards the left hand side should be divided successively by 16, and the number which are towards the right hand side should be continuously multiplied by 16. So let's see it by example. Now we will go towards the left hand side. The number which is available is 5 5. So divide this number by 16. After dividing 5 by 16, you will be getting 34, and the remainder will be 1. Again 34 divided by 16, you will be getting 2. So you have to write here 2, and that remaining particular number will be coming here as it is, and we have to do counting from bottom to top. So what will be the number over here? 2 to 1. Now remaining part, that is your right hand side, it should be multiplied by 16. So the number is 0.789 multiplied by 16. I will be getting 12.624. Now 12 is equivalent to what? It is equivalent to C. Again 0.624 multiplied by 16, which is 9.984. 9 will be written as it is. Next is what? 0.984 into 16. Now it is 15.74. Now 15 is equivalent to F in hexadecimal number system. So this process should be continued for 4 times. So what number will be getting? For division, we have to do the counting from bottom to top, and for a particular multiplication, I have to do counting from top to bottom. So what will be the number? 2 to 1 point BF9. It is C9FB. C9FB. So this is the process by which I can convert any decimal number to hexadecimal number. So using this process, you can convert decimal number to hexadecimal number. So there is one homework for you. The first number is 645.64. Decimal number you have to convert into hexadecimal number, and second example is 528.88. that is your decimal number which we have to convert into hexadecimal number. So during this lecture we have studied two important types of conversion, that is hexadecimal to decimal and decimal to hexadecimal. Thank you.